You got to go check it out.
I know I do, but I don't go to that gas station. Maybe I will just to check
You're
it
going to
out.
have to go there. Let's go with a flat rate calling plan. I was talking the other day to somebody talking about call waiting and shit like that. Or like back when we first were on the internet, and the younger generation of people listen to is probably going to be like, what the hell are they talking about? When we had dial-up service, but if you had the special adapter,
or if someone in your house picked up the phone to call out, they got that really loud internet noise. Yeah.
Like, motherfucker, get off! You swung off the internet. Oh man! And what it did was it would allow your phone calls to come through, but it would disconnect your internet.